Alright, so number 33, we have the word problems. It says the wind speed in miles per hour near the center of a tornado is related to the distance. They give us this equation. Now be careful, there's no base, so we're going to assume 10, right? This is your speed, and this is your distance. And then it says, on March 18th, 1925, a tornado whose wind speed was about 280 miles per hour struck the Midwest. How far, so we're looking for distance, did the tornado travel? So they tell me the speed was 280, so I'm going to plug that straight in my calculator. Just like that. Now I want to solve for D, so I need to get log by itself. So I'm going to subtract 65. So 280 minus 65 gives me 215. So I get 93 log D. And then to get log by itself, I'm going to divide by 93. So in my calculator, I have 215 divided by 93. Gives me about 2.31. Now, in order to get rid of the log, guys, remember this is base 10. I'm going to rewrite this as log base 10 of D equals 2.31. You're going to rewrite this in exponential form. So 10 raised to the 2.31 equals D. And how I'm going to do that in my calculator is 10, I'm going to hit caret. Right, here's the caret sign right here. And then second negative, this will bring up the answer I just had before, so it'll make rounding easier at the end. So I'm going to hit enter, so my distance is 205.03, and I think our units is in miles. Yes, miles. That is my final answer. Alright, next one. I have Brittany invests $5,000 in an account that earns 3.5% interest compounded continuously. So this is the PER equation. You can only use it when it's compounded continuously. This is my final amount, that's A. P is my initial amount. E is in your calculator, that's 2.718. R is your rate, that's measured in a percentage, which you have to convert to a decimal. And then T is your time, and it's in years. So Brittany, we have A equals P equals RP times E to the RT. She invests $5,000. So that's my initial amount. I add a 3.5% interest, so I'm going to move the decimal back twice, so I get 0.035. So 0.035. And then it tells me for 3 years. My time is 3. So I'm going to plug this straight in my calculator. 5,000 E to the 0.035 times 3. Now be careful when you plug this in. Make sure this part is all in the parentheses closed in. So she makes $5,553.55. There's your answer. Now the second part, it says, how long does it take her to double her investment? So I'm looking for time. This was part A. Part B, I'm looking for time. So I'm going to use the same equation, but I'm going to double the 5,000. So now it's 10,000. My initial is still 5,000. My rate stays the same, but now I'm looking for the new time. So I need to get the E exponential part by itself. So I'm going to divide by 5,000. So you get 2 equals E to the 0.035t. Now I need to find t, right? To get rid of the e, I'm going to natural log both sides. What I do to one side, you have to do to the other. And the reason I'm going to do that is because this will make the ln and the e cancel on the right side. So I get ln of 2 equals 0.035t, and then I'm going to divide by 0.035 on both sides. So ln of 2 divided by 0.035, I get 19.8. So that rounds to 19.8 years.